So have you been told to try Pilates, but you don't really know where to start? How do I start a Pilates program? How do I start a Pilates reformer workout? Well, watch this video to learn more. Can you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and click on that bell so you're notified of all of our content? We provide content on physical therapy, Pilates, health, and wellness. So have you been told to try Pilates, but you really don't have any idea what it's all about? Well, by the end of this video, you will know 4 questions to ask before you start a Pilates reformer workout. My name is Stephen Dunn, and as a Pilates physical therapist, I've helped thousands of patients over my 23 year plus career as a physical therapist. And I look forward to helping you as well. So the first question, what is a Pilates reformer? Well, the Pilates reformer was invented by Joseph Pilates in the 1920s. The patent was in 1927, I believe, in New York City. So the Pilates reformer and the Pilates exercise method has been around for almost 100 years. Basically, we'll say 100 years. So it's not a fad, it's not new, it's been around a long time. Sleek in design, the Pilates reformer provides resistance to the whole body, especially the core, with a series of ropes and springs and a movable carriage. There's literally hundreds and hundreds of exercises that can be done on a reformer. That gives the Pilates instructor many options to choose from. So how do I try a Pilates reformer workout for beginners? Well, the first thing to consider is the instructor certified? Because a certification program in Pilates is a 450 plus hour program to get you to a point to where you're ready to teach. So from a safety standpoint, as a beginner, you want to always make sure the person that you're working with is fully certified and has experience working and teaching. The third question you want to ask is, am I injured? Now, this question is important because many people are told to do Pilates by their physician, by friends that said, oh, Pilates helped my back pain, Pilates helped this, Pilates helped that. But if you are injured, I recommend seeing a physical therapist first before going into a Pilates program. And as a Pilates physical therapist, I get to deal with the best of both worlds. So we teach people, do physical therapy with people first when they're injured to get them up to speed to then join a Pilates wellness program. And that works really well if you are injured. Now, some people are able to go straight into working with a Pilates instructor while injured, without seeing a physical therapist. And there's people that do that all the time. But we find that the best and safest and most long-term effective way is to start with physical therapy if you're injured. And again, I wouldn't say normal physical therapy. Start with physical therapy with people who actually understand Pilates. Now, some people are not injured, and those people are very much able to jump right into private set lessons or classes with an instructor, and there's no need to see a physical therapist in that situation. All right, so the last question is, should I start a Pilates reformer private class, or should I start with a Pilates reformer group class? So let's answer that one. Now, the first thing with that is basically it's going to come down to cost. It's going to be more expensive to have a private lesson than it is going to be a group class. However, I recommend starting with private lessons, a handful, 3 to 5 private lessons, to get up to speed with the breathing techniques and get a familiarity with the equipment and some of the names, so that when you end up in a class, it's not like you're the first time in the class not understanding anything that's being said, because most of the people that are in class already have gone through a series of privates to get to that point. Again, some people start right with classes and some people start with privates. I recommend starting with privates first to get up to speed and then joining a class. So comment below and tell me if this information helped with your understanding of Pilates and what a Pilates reformer workout is and how to get started for beginners. Now, click on my website and download my free report, the 10 reasons why you should do Pilates and why you'll love it. Go to my website right here and download that free report. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week with our next video.